Very good afternoon.
How are
How
you,
are you
ma'am?
doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
I'm good. I'm also good. Everything is going great at my end.
Great, ma'am. If I talk myself, so I am doing pretty well, and thanks for asking me. And how's your
Mhm.
day going on, ma'am?
My day is going great. I have to meet someone who is very important for me. So that way I haven't left for my work yet. So in the process, I was to interact with you as well. So after I'm done with my this stuff, then I will leave for my work.
Okay,
Yes.
okay,
You
ma'am.
let me know about yourself.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Before proceeding the session, so shall we start introduction first? So I go first, okay, ma'am?
Sure, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So as you know that my name is Kiran Sao. I'm from West
Hmm.
Bengal. If I talk my education, so I have done my BCom honors. Now I'm a homemaker and mother of two adorable boys. And simultaneously, I created my own channel. So now I'm running on. So I can say that I'm YouTuber now. And if I talk my hobbies, so reading, cooking, and interact new people, these are my hobbies. So that's all about me, ma'am. So may I know something about you?
Sure. I'm Dr. Kamaljit Kaur. I'm basically an academic. So I have served for a long period as a professor in a college as well as an administrator. And recently, you can say, or you can say at the moment, I'm an entrepreneur. Beside this, I used to have these kinds of conversations because I'm actively honing my communication skills. And I run a very small YouTube channel where I keep on sharing whatever I learn onto this platform. This is all about me.
Great, ma'am. So, firstly, ma'am, thank you so much for joining me because we are meeting first time. So, I just and thank you so much to have you here,
Mhm.
first of all. And today I
Thank you
want,
very much for inviting me on your channel.
yeah. So, firstly, I want to know that your journey. How did you start, and what type of difficulties did you face?
Do you want to know about my journey as an English enthusiast or my life journey?
Yeah, ma'am. Now I think today I want to talk to you life journey because you are experienced than me. And you can say that, so I think I want to get knowledge from you as a life journey. That what type of experience did you gain so far? And what type of
Hmm.
advice wants to give to me that I can follow in my life. That's all.
Actually, when you ask someone to share the life journey, I think that way the canvas of life it's quite broad. It becomes quite wide. Yes, I am someone from the field of academics. I have done my doctorate in the subject of human genetics, so someone from pure science background. At my time, like my parents did their best to provide me the best of both the worlds. So to give good education to the girls, and that also at that time when the girls are not that much privileged, especially in the kind of background I come from or the society I belong to. I'm a pure Punjabi person, and in the Punjabi families at that time, back then, uh, the education of the girls were never on the cards of the parents. Always the preferences were given to the boys only.
Yeah.
Till date, it is almost same, but now the time has changed. So that way, parents they have also realized the importance of education in their lives. So now they make their girls educate as well. So I did my best education. After my marriage, my husband gave me the wings. So academically, I have never stopped learning anything. So I have loved for more than 3 decades as a professor in a college. I have been a very passionate teacher there. And side by side, I kept on writing the books, presenting my papers in various national and international conferences. I have been to abroad to present my papers also. I have always been passionate about anything new whenever I used to come across. So then after that, I got the opportunity to be the head of the institution, of different institutions. For more than 10 years, I served as an administrator. I enjoyed the respect of that status as well. Then at certain point in my life, like you can say about 2 years back, then I started chalking out that what next thing I should go for. So then I thought of why not to create jobs for the people of my area, people who are not that educated, people who are not skilled workers. So then I worked on something. I took leave, long leave from my work. Then I gained the knowledge related to that work. And about 1.5 years back, I started my own venture. At the moment, I told you, I have already shared it with you. I am an entrepreneur. So 8 people, they are working with me. So that way, to certain extent, I could succeed in fulfilling my desire. And yes, these days, not only these days, I've been working on my spoken English for the last 3 years, but I couldn't pursue with it for almost 1 year. But for the last 5, 6 months, I am again back on this journey. So I keep on posting the contents onto my channel. For me, the motto of my life is we all have got just one life. And I always try to give a shot to everything what inspires me, whatever comes my way, and I'm convinced with, so I go ahead with that. So
Mm.
this is the reason I'm here today.
Great, ma'am. You want to always push yourself, right?
Yes, bilkul right, bilkul yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Great, ma'am. And so that's why I wanted to meet you. Yeah, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. I'm a
Actually,
kind of person actually, because in my area might be the same scenario on your side also. We are all the time immersed in our local language. Like
yeah,
after this session would be over, I will be back to my local language. Before joining with you, I was again talking to the people around me in the my local language, and my local language is Punjabi.
yeah,
So, but realizing the importance of English, I always try to grab the opportunities whatsoever come my way.
yeah. Great,
You
ma'am.
tell me about your journey.
Yeah,
Since how long have you been chasing your dreams?
yeah. Firstly, I just after completing my graduation, then after I
Hmm.
got marriage, and 10 year I left my study. And now just
Hmm.
I think if I talk my speaking practice, so it's been 8 to 9 months it's going on. And now because of I want to improve myself, just 10 year I left my study. So this was a long gap, but still I want to improve myself, because earlier uh, I indulge myself only family, but now I'm trying to improve myself, because I felt that I was lagging behind, and it's I felt like I was not upgrade.
Hmm.
Yeah, so now I'm trying to improve myself, so I can see that a little bit uh, I can see in my changes, you can say that uh,
Improvement.
yeah, improvement I can see in my side, and little bit day by day I'm improving and I'm learning. So this platform and
And how many
journey,
sessions you have in a day? How many sessions you have in a day?
mostly one or two, sometime
Hmm.
yeah, two, maximum three, but one or two every day I do session. But sometime it's not happen, so I do audio call. I took subscription of audio call, so I do. And for practicing, because sometime I have to skip for practicing, so that's why it's
Hmm.
very difficult for me to speak. I mean, it's very difficult to restart. So uh, actually, we are surrounded by, our mother tongue. So, and
Mm-hmm.
local language. So that's why when it's come to speak English, so we feel uh, fumble and we feel hesitation. So that is the
Mm.
things, ma'am. So I want to be
Yes.
improve every day, but sometimes it's not happen. So mainly Saturday, Sunday, I'm busy, and other apart from these 5 days, I'm trying to be improve, and be I'm trying to take session and try to improve myself.
What is the reason for learning this language? Is it simply a passion for you, or you have set some goal for your life?
Yeah, firstly, I started my journey for my kids when because because of this language they are suffering issue, language issue. They are suffering struggle of related to language. So that's why I decided myself for learning English language. And now I can say that when I get my fluency, then after I will start my own institute, maybe anything. Because if I get fluency, then there is so many opportunity we will get, right? So that's why it's going on. i
Mm.
I'm trying to be best, that's all.
Mhm.
Yeah,
One
ma'am.
should be very positive and you should be confident enough. And if you are confident enough, nothing can hold you back.
Actually, ma'am, in my past I have seen a lot of struggle in my life related to my family, and so many related to
Mm.
life. I face so many struggle in my life, so I want to forget everything in my life, means a bad experience. I want to forget, and I want to just go go ahead in my life, because there is no need to think more and more negative things. We should, I mean, I want to say that we should just move on and let go our
Mm.
bad memories. I want to say.
Yes, let bygone be bygone here.
Yeah,
So, because you can't change your past,
surely,
but
ma'am.
you can create a beautiful future.
Yeah, definitely, ma'am.
Mm.
So that's why earlier I used to cry, I used to be sad so many time, but now I want to be positive myself. Every single day I meet a new person and share knowledge.
Mm.
So that's things makes
Mm.
me happy, and just indulge myself that I can say that now I am busy. No, I mean there is no space for
Mhm.
thinking negative. That's all.
Mhm.
Right.
That's great. That's great. One should always stay positive. Only then you can move forward.
Yeah.
And always try to push your boundaries also.
Yeah, ma'am. Definitely.
Only then you get to know about your potentials, your capabilities. Till you
Yeah.
stay in the comfort zone, you can never make out that what are your hidden potentials until or unless you give yourself a chance. Only then you get to know what else you can do in your life.
Yeah, yeah. Definitely we should push ourselves to go ahead. Right.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. If
So
even you see, if somebody is swimming in the pool, the person always try to push the water backward and then moves forward.
yeah, definitely.
When we are driving or somebody cycling, even then you might have felt the air flow is coming from the opposite side. So vehicle that pushes that blockade and then moves forward. So this is law of nature.
Yeah. Great, ma'am. Initially I had to face so many difficulties while speaking English. But now just
Hmm.
sometime I make mistake, but try to reduce my mistake, but it's
Hmm.
inevitable. Every sometime
Inevitable, yeah.
inevitable, and sometimes it's
Yes.
happen, but I'm trying to reduce.
You make mistakes only when you try. The person who never tries anything, that is the only person who never makes mistakes. So making mistakes is a proof, it's a testament that you are trying. So this is a
Yeah,
good
ma'am.
thing. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, it's a true, making mistake, it's a proof.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
ma'am. So ma'am,
So what else is there in your mind?
What else? I
or
think,
on your mind?
ma'am, you ask question to me.
Okay. Okay, you have done graduation. Okay, then you got married. So you are not in contact with the academics anymore. And all
Yeah,
of a
just
sudden, not all of a sudden, maybe because of
just
your kids, you want to learn this language,
no,
right?
ma'am. After graduation, I just prepare for government job, but I didn't crack any exam. Meanwhile, I got married. But
Mm-hmm.
there
And
is,
what is your husband?
yeah, husband. My husband does job. Sorry, my husband does job. It's
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
He is educated.
yeah, educated. He well educated than me.
He has done post graduation.
No, no. He studied in English medium and I studied in Hindi medium. And I did my
Mm-hmm.
graduation only English version because of West Bengal, and there is no
Mm-hmm.
option for Hindi. So that's why I did my graduation only English. Then I left study and now I'm working on my communication and English both. Sometime I try to
Mm-hmm.
read and sometime I busy due to busy schedule. Now I'm little bit busy. My children are not that much older, so that's why. And after 1 month, I will start my reading practice.
What is the grade of your children?
Great. My elder one is fourth standard, and my younger one is now one first standard.
They are quite young and they need your attention and care also.
Yeah, I
This is
do.
also very important. Hmm.
Yeah, I do. Every it's a now conversational things that we can do at home, right?
Do
No,
you help your kids with their homework?
yeah, ma'am. I teach them. Yeah, I teach them when at the in the evening. I teach them.
Okay, and do you listen to some English content also?
Yeah, I listened a conversational video. Earlier, I used to watch some sentences, but when I felt that there is no that much improvement, then I switched myself watching conversational video, and that's helped me a lot because conversational like a real life conversational we when we watch that where from we get that how can I express our thought and how body language so many things we can learn from conversational video. So I can say that conversational video helped me a lot.
Mhm.
Yeah,
That's true. Even when we meet on a virtual platform, so you forget about the virtual platform. You simply feel somebody is there on the other side and you are talking to that person in the real situation. So it's a kind of real life experience,
yeah,
you
real
can
life
say.
every type of talking they talk at the conversational video, right? So we can get
Mhm.
so many knowledge, so many word new word. When I come across new word, I just jot down in my diary and notebook. I try to speak sometime I try to make sentences with the word. This type of thing I do. And sometimes
Mhm.
I can say that I learn speaking I learn English from the scratch because so many things I forgot. And so now sometimes sentences when I come across new word, new sentence, and new idioms, that time I just try to uh, that how can we use in day to day life. I can try.
Mhm. That's a great thing.
Yeah,
So,
this type of
and
thing I
how do
do.
you learn vocabulary? How do you learn it? You read something and then jot it down, or
Yeah,
you watch some content and then take a note of that, and then again you note it down in your copy or in your diary?
yeah,
Or is
firstly,
there any other some other technique?
yeah, I just when I come across a new word, I just write on in my, I mean, jot down in my diary, and that
Mm-hmm.
when I do my household chores, I just try to remind what did I learn previous day.
Mm-hmm.
This type of thing I just remind. That's why
Hmm.
when sometime I forgot, then uh, again I watch. I see in the copy what did I write.
Forget. Sometimes I forget. When I forget, not forgot.
Yeah, forget. Sorry, ma'am. So
Hmm.
this happened with me, and try to just sometime I feel like I forget. So I just, yeah, this type of thing I
Hmm.
do.
This thing is very important, Kiran, that you are making all the efforts. So when you are putting in efforts, so certainly someday it's going to bear fruits for you. You will certainly become a good speaker.
Yeah, I'm trying to be best, like, because it's a long gap. I think 10 year. So now it will take time, but I'm trying to do.
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Mm-hmm.
trying to
Better
improve
late
it.
than never. This is also important thing. You are already on the right path.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mm.
Yeah.
So what else you do? Like else mean in your daily routine. Can you tell me about your daily routine? What do you do the moment you are up in the morning
Okay,
until
ma'am.
you hit the sack? What do you do the whole day?
Yeah. Mostly I 5 a.m. I get up. Sometimes
Hmm.
5 minute, 10 minute here and there. Mostly I
Hmm.
5 a.m. I get up. I get up. I mean, yeah, I wake up 5 a.m. That's what. After that, I sweep and mop. I mean, cleaning, household chores. Then after I get fresh, because if I don't get fresh, then I'm not able to do, I mean, cooking. So that's why firstly I freshen, I try to freshen up myself. Then I head to kitchen and try to prepare for lunch and breakfast and
Not had,
simultaneously.
not had, not had. Then you go to the kitchen
Yeah.
to prepare
Then,
your breakfast.
yeah. Then I go to the kitchen and to prepare breakfast and simultaneously as well as lunch, because both I prepare together
At the same time.
same
Hmm.
time, because
Simultaneously.
simultaneously I prepare, and then when I sent off my kids to school, then I after that I prepare lunch, and then my husband, uh, I I send my husband to office. Okay,
Okay.
and then after that I take some rest and take my breakfast, and after that I do my household chores, and 12 o'clock 12
Don't
at
you take your tea, morning tea? You don't
no.
take. The moment you are up, you start to get busy with the household chores.
Yeah, I
You
don't
start
like to take,
cleaning and sweeping.
I don't like to tea. I don't like to take tea.
Okay.
Initially, yes, for the beginning of my time, I never try to take. Sometime when I go somewhere as a guest, they provide me tea, then I take.
They offer
Otherwise,
you.
yeah,
They
they
offer
offer,
you tea.
yeah, they offer
Hmm.
me tea, then I, sometime I
Only
take,
then you take. Hmm.
sometime, very rarely, not
Hmm.
compulsory I will take. It's not compulsory. So sometime
Hmm.
I take, otherwise I skip, and uh, yeah, mainly I focus my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. 3 meals I take, and apart from this, in the I mean meantime, I do not take anything. It's my
You
fixed
live
time.
in a nuclear family?
Yeah, earlier I used to live joint family, just 4 year back, and now I'm living nuclear family. And me, my husband, and my
Hmm.
2 kids.
Hmm.
Yeah.
That's great. And how? What is the reaction of your husband when he like comes to know, he gets to know that you are having these kinds of conversations? What was his initial reaction the moment he got to know that you have started doing this kind of thing
Yeah,
and
he
you have
support. Yeah.
started your YouTube channel?
Yeah, he supported me. He told me that you should start your YouTube channel where you try to speak every single day, and where you can see that there little bit improve, you can see in your side. He created my own channel. Earlier I was nothing. I didn't have any knowledge about computer and all the things, because I just I earlier I used to only make call other person, and no other skill I didn't have. Now I'm trying to be learning. Try Now I'm trying to learn every single day.
That's
But
great.
earlier it was
You
not.
see, Kiran, you are making your own corrections. It means you are conscious about your mistakes. You immediately get to know when you make a mistake.
Yeah, today I think I make mistake. Sorry, today I made mistake a lot. I think sometimes we feel someone is better than me and someone is advanced speaker. That time we feel
It
sometimes
happens.
under confident, and while speaking we make mistake. It's happened with me. Last session, I think 1 week back, I had a session with Mo Priya ma'am. I think you know about her.
Hmm.
So that time you I made mistake a lot. So it's happened
Hmm.
with me that someone is better than me, someone is advanced speaker in front of me.
Hmm.
That time I feel some underconfident that maybe I make mistake, and definitely I make mistake.
This is obvious. This is something normal. It happens with everyone.
Yeah.
Whenever we talk to somebody who's better than us, we lose our confidence.
Yeah,
But the
yeah, truly.
moment we realize that everything is okay, there is nothing wrong with making mistakes, then slowly and gradually we gain confidence.
Yeah, truly,
And
ma'am.
then the frequency of the mistakes, making mistakes, that reduces.
Yeah, you ask me my daily routine. Maybe I would speak fluently, but I think watching you,
Uh,
I am feeling so
no,
nervous.
no, be comfortable. I'm like you only, Kiran. I'm
Yeah,
like you
it's
only.
yeah,
Try to be very comfortable.
truly, ma'am. I will try to speak in correct way. Sometimes it's
Hmm.
happened with me. Just when
It's
I
obvious. It's natural. It's natural. Nothing wrong with it.
Yeah, ma'am. I will
You are
try to.
confident enough and you are trying to make your own corrections. This is a very good quality of yours. It
Yeah.
means you are conscious, you are awakened, you know where you make the mistakes, and immediately you correct your errors.
Yeah, ma'am. When I get fluency, then again I will contact with you and I will meet
Sure,
you. Sure, ma'am.
sure,
Exactly.
always.
So
I'm
thank you
always
so
there.
much, ma'am, reaching out and showing up. Your
Sure, thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.